Hello there! With our friends gone and Covid pretty much out of the way, we felt ready to say goodbye to Fiji. Not an easy thing to do, but it was a great relief to be out sailing again and away from the scorching heat of Vuda Marina. Back then, we had no idea that we are leaving a corner of paradise behind.
We sailed off on a high without knowing that the passage to Vanuatu was going to be a roller coaster ride. Up and down, and up and down, and up again once we make happy landfall in Vanuatu.
So we left the marina at 10:30 this morning and we motored through the pass. We came out, we put the sails out thinking, okay, here we go, we got some wind. The wind started going all over the shop. We were hoping to pick up the trade winds, southeasterlies. We sailed upwind for a bit. Now we started the engine because just like we got headed, the wind is right on our nose. Big swells, confused seas. The wind is from west, we should have southeast, 6 knots. We're basically all over the shop at the moment. We're hoping at some point this is going to improve because it's just not fun. We had to furl in the Genoa, drop a reef on the main because it was just going all over the place. And look at this movement, look. And we're motoring in the ocean. It's just like, yeah. So hopefully, before the night comes, things will improve.
Hopefully. So far it's terrible. Absolutely terrible. The sea state, no wind, the boom going from left to right, and it's just not nice whatsoever. We hoped and hoped that the wind would pick up, to no avail. We ended up putting tourists in the main, stopping flapping, and now we hope for a better day tomorrow or even tonight. Keep hoping.
Well, the wind has come back, or we got to the wind, either of these. So frustration is over now. I feel knackered. All I want to do is just go to bed and sleep like a baby. And forget about sailing for now.
Forget about sailing. We have a 5-day passage ahead of us.
Having sailed away from the lee of Viti Levu Island, during the days that followed, the wind gradually improved. Seas remained biggish and confused, but at least we could sail.
Under full canvas.
Spirits were up again.
After 3 days of fairly light winds, today the wind has finally picked up to about 15 to 20 from behind us. So it's just perfect. Mehalah is very happy. We've managed to get her to a position where she's utterly ecstatic, and that's full main and the Genoa a little bit rift. We're doing 7.2 knots right now, and it's just glorious. Well, not all the time glorious. Sometimes at night the wind changes, we gotta come out and jibe the main, roll the Genoa, put it on the other side, in the morning start all over again. But now, right now, we're cool. Tomorrow afternoonish, we shall be there with a glass of whiskey. sail trimming and changing a bit this and that, and I looked on the horizon and what do I see? It's a sailing boat. So it's a nice feeling to be out in the ocean and not seeing anyone, and then all of a sudden the surprise of seeing a boat, and a sailing boat particularly. It's just a nice feeling. We're on the same water, sharing the same weather conditions, good weather conditions. So now we have a race.
Unfortunately, Sorin's excitement will not last for long. As soon as the night falls, the good weather conditions give way to numerous squalls, wind shifts, sails flapping, engine on, engine off, and repeat. Frustration is back. To our dismay, Sorin's new glasses end up overboard.
Here we are in Vanuatu, Port Vila, and for the last 3 days, wow, we had nothing but a lot of rain, so much rain, everything is full of water. On completion of a long passage, we like to put Mehalah back in ship shape. On this occasion, my underwater cleaning was hampered by a water snake who was having a long snooze on our rudder.
Turn the other way, full.
Gata, he's off. Ia uite-l. Many years ago, I learned the trick from my uncle. Never rush with a new drink. Keep on having long sips and eventually you will know if you like it.
Vanuatu's National Day is coming up and children are getting ready for the festivities. We were going to be attending too, but an act of violence happening in close proximity made us want to sail away earlier than planned.
Port Vila is not short of duty-free outlets, so we used this opportunity to top up our booze stocks. Next stop, Tana Island.
We've started sailing from Port Vila to Tana, and we're going upwind. So far, 3 positives. Well, 4. 1, we're alive. 2, we chose the right configuration of sails, reefs and that, so we're good. We can sail. That's the 3rd one. And 4th, the waves are kind enough to us, so it's going to be a full-on 130 nautical miles
Overnight.
When it rains in paradise, it buckets down.
Despite the rain following us wherever we went, on the island of Tana we had a much more authentic experience. Join us in our next episode for our Tana highlights. Thanks for watching our video.
If you enjoy this channel, please subscribe, comment, give us the thumbs up and share.